Hands-on video shows how green iPhone 13 and 13 Pro look in real life. Well, the Pro model looks so much like the previous green model, which makes you wonder why they didn't just do it at launch.
Why didn't they have it in the first place? Yeah.
They want people who like the green so much, which, by the way, Mo, is the color of envy.
Throwback to yesterday.
It's also the color that is nicely gracing the top part of your headphones and couch right now. Mm-hmm. So you tell me what's what. You tell me what's really...
Who's really
This is the conspiracy
here?
drums. The drums of conspiracy. You didn't know about that, Kirk?
That was yesterday.
The drums of conspiracy. All right, play the first look here. Let's see. Maybe it is a little different. I don't know. They're definitely between the two. It's different, but the thing is, on the Max model, since you have that matte finish to it, everything looks pretty subdued as far as colors are concerned. Mm-hmm. To me, the green on the other one is more interesting. On the regular, what is these artistic? This looks like Kirk edited this video. This looks like one of the shorts that Kirk's been posting over there on Later Shorts. People don't even know that exists. Shout out Later Shorts. Kirk's been putting in work, man. Endless hours of... And Will's going to open it up here. Look at his profile image. You have no idea what's on the other side of that click. It's like some Alice in Wonderland type of feel like, I don't know. Yeah, like, do I ever come back from this click? Or am I just buried alive?
Willy doo.
That's a doo-doo right there. You need to do a short for his Bronco order.
Yes.
You need to find a way to turn his half hour Bronco order into 1 minute. That's a serious task because that was a hefty moment in yesterday's episode. Do you want to just quickly let people know what happened who weren't there?
I told Lou that I put a deposit on a Bronco, and he went crazy.
Yes, he did.
Oh, you put a deposit on the
Oh, yeah. He doesn't know. Oh, yeah.
What model?
Black diamond.
Easy.
What color?
Carbon gray.
You got some compliments that you did the perfect build. There were a couple comments that said you did. Can you imagine you did the perfect build?
Well, 1,000 hours of Bronco videos.
Right. You're saying it was bound to happen.
Yeah.
After the amount of time you put in. It's a fair point. Anyway, keep an eye on this Later Shorts channel. It's about to blow up. It's the next big channel on YouTube. It's about to hit the trending page thanks to Kirk's edits. But let's talk about the green phone. It is a sort of a military green going on. I tend to find the greener green to be a little more interesting.
Same.
And the other one just looks a lot like the previous green that they had.
It's still good, but I like the newer green.
It's slightly
darker, deeper green.
Although if you... Wait a second here, Mo. If you look at them side by side, here's what you're going to notice. The camera section
has been flipped.
The camera section is the reverse of the main portion of the phone. Go ahead, Mo.
No, yeah, you're right. It does look like that from here. But it's a little hard to tell. This video is a little...
Yeah.
Break it down, Mo.
It's constantly changing exposures.
This guy's got a little music in the background, too, doesn't he? Yeah, he's like playing in the background. Nice. I mean, he's just having a real vibe himself. That's 50,000 views. I don't know. Is anyone buying this green iPhone? Certainly, surely some people are, because there are truckloads currently. There are ships full of them. They're traveling across the ocean right now. Can you imagine? Do you have a visual of that? Just green phones? Good luck to everyone. It's a green phone.